Building on decades of sports car manufacturing heritage, Porsche adds a fun-to-drive nature to each of its vehicles, including SUVs like the 2024 Cayenne, that its rivals are hard to match. Although the Cayenne is a mid-size SUV, it feels light on its feet when cornering thanks to its expertly tuned chassis. It's also fast, especially with one of its high-output powertrains featuring a plug-in hybrid and a twin-turbo V8. Porsche's largest SUV is also luxurious, with an elegant drive, a quiet cabin and lots of technology and convenience features. While it may not outperform the 911 Turbo, the Cayenne offers plenty of athleticism to delight its driver, while also providing ample room for people and cargo. The Cayenne has received a slight styling refresh this year. Changes to the exterior require a keen eye, but inside the Cayenne features a new instrument cluster design with more digital space, a new steering wheel borrowed from the 911 sports car, and a new articulated type gearshift lever mounted on the dashboard. Porsche has also raised the bar in terms of performance in general. The base model gets 13 horsepower more than its predecessor, while the e-hybrid gains 9 horsepower. The S-Rig gets the biggest boost, downgrading a biturbo 2.9-liter V6 to a 468 horsepower biturbo 4.0-liter V8. Porsche will let you specify the Cayenne in several ways, notably the turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that produces 348 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid, called the e-hybrid, combines with an electric motor and a turbocharged V6 for a total of 463 horsepower. The Cayenne S features a 468 horsepower biturbo V8 with great exhaust sound and breathtaking acceleration. Expect top-of-the-line GTS gear with even more power. All engines are paired with an 8-speed intelligent transmission and all-wheel drive. Adaptive dampers are now standard on the Cayenne range and adjustable air suspension on most equipment, four-wheel steering for enhanced maneuverability and smoother cornering. There will be additional performance options such as active anti-roll bars. The range of the 2024 e-hybrid will be slightly higher than before, thanks to an expanded battery pack that increases the estimated usable capacity from 14.3 kilowatt-hours to 20.6 hours. Last year's model is rated for up to 15 miles of electric driving, so expect to see around 25 miles of range. Porsche has also improved the e-hybrid's onboard charger to enable faster charging times. The interior of the 2024 Cayenne gets a new dashboard design, more screens, and a Taycan EV sedan-inspired look. The SUV's steering wheel has been replaced with a steering wheel borrowed from the 911 sports car, and the instrument cluster is now fully digital. A derailleur is mounted in the dashboard, making room for a storage corner in the center console. Porsche actually provides a blank canvas inside the Cayenne for customers to customize as they see fit. Everything from the lining to the seatbelt colors and surface materials can almost always be individually selected at a high additional cost. In addition to traditional options such as heated and ventilated front and rear seats, the Cayenne offers desirable upgrades such as more supportive seats, massage front seats and 4-zone climate control. The driver and front passenger of the Cayenne are faced with a wall of digital displays that run the entire length of the dashboard. In the middle is a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the right of that is a secondary, and optional, 10.9-inch screen for the front passenger. Porsche says this can be used to stream video content as it has a safety mechanism that makes it invisible from the driver's point of view. There is a separate 12.6-inch screen for the driver only, located behind the steering wheel, which reflects vehicle speed, tachometer, trip computer and other functions.